Hey there, my friend Will here over at FXAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video today, 24th of June 2018. So today's video, my friend, is I want to really share with you some of the powerful trades the new Price Action Pro indicators been predicting over the past week since it's been in action. So the first one we're going to look at is the British Pound USD. So you can see it automatically draws all our zones here on the daily chart and the weekly. See, we've actually come deep into a weekly area at the minute, and we've hit it daily on Thursday, just within it. And if you actually look at Thursday, we're getting divergence just on the daily and weekly zone, and you can see we actually get signals they enter the market here. Drops, you get the divergence, but the divergence is happening as we're coming into price zones that's already drawn, and we just simply take the trades down in these zones. The US dollar index, you can see nice zone up here that it draws, just hitting the weekly. Signal arrow gives us a signal to go down on Thursday. Enter at the close of the candle. First easy target's down here, and so on till the next target's down 92.52. So pretty easy. It draws the zones for us. We wait for signals to come in the zone, either divergence or arrows on lower time frame zones. So if you're trading with the weekly and monthly price zones, you're looking for arrows and divergence on the 4-hour and daily. As you can see, we've actually had divergence on the daily and a signal on the daily on this trade in a price zone that the indicator is drawn for us. And you enter in the close of the candle. First easy targets here, this zone here. Second target's down here. So it is USD JPY. See, last week we had started at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you had an arrow at a trading zone, comes up, tests it, and goes back down. USD CAD. Friday it took out a zone in the weekly, which was here. So once price goes above it, it will take out the zone. So Friday it popped up above it. So likely looking at the USD CAD, now we're getting an initial wee pop here this weekly, likely to target up towards this 136.500. Why? Because this is the trading zone here. Comes down, tests it, and the first easy target was this zone. It's popped up through it, and it's likely just to keep on going up to the second target. It's a pretty powerful tool, pretty powerful indicator that we can use to profit from the markets. You can see here on the Euro JPY, just missed the 124 zone here by a few pips. Daily, created a daily zone here, comes down to test it. We're getting an arrow on the daily to head back up. So this is a good trade to enter on Monday, to head back up to test the 129.600 and the 130.600 price zone on the Euro JPY. Signal in a daily zone, looking at the 4-hour charts. I'm looking to take this back up off a daily signal, targeting a weekly area of 132 if you're going off the weeklies. Pretty powerful tool. It draws all the price zones for us at any time frame. You can see, if you look at the 1-hour charts here, we're actually getting an arrow at a 1-hour zone. It's down, test here at 127, then head back up. We've got a big huge area up here at 130 that is drawn for us. So it basically takes all the guesswork out for us. All we have to do is load it onto the charts, wait for price to come into the price zones, and really enter the market on a signal, on either a divergence signal on the MACD divergence or an arrow signal on the indicator. Look at the British Pound Aussie coming into a daily zone. We'll look at the 4-hour charts. can see here loads of arrows at this daily zone. Here, arrow to the end of the market to go back down. So that's all we do. For day trading, we look at that. Okay, it's approaching the 180. We're going to zoom down into the lower time frames, zones, and as it approaches, are we getting arrows? And we are. Comes up here, misses the zone by about 10-15 pips, which is okay. And you can see arrow, trade back down. Likely to test this 176 area as it comes back down on a daily. So it's a pretty simple tool that we can use to really multiply our profits. If you look at the Aussie dollar, USD, we've got a price in a weekly zone, in a daily zone. 4-hour chart gives us a signal, get the divergence, and we get a signal to go up. First easy target is the daily zone up here at 76, or if we want to take a 4-hour zone up here at 74. But 76 is the likely easy target here, and you can see it's a nice signal off that weekly and daily zone. Indicator draws it, gives it an arrow, we enter the market, boom. It'll set a bit slower. Indicator draws the zones for us automatically. We don't have to need a rectangle tool, we don't need nothing. We just load the indicator. Draws them all across. We get a signal on the 4-hour chart, we enter the market, and we target up around 76. So that's a pretty powerful indicator, guys. To access the indicator, you can click the link below. If you want a demonstration with me on Skype, just let me know. But very, very powerful. Click the link below, and I'm looking forward to seeing and hearing from you the kind of results you're able to achieve with the Price Action Pro indicator. So I'll speak to you soon, guys. Will at the FXAce.com.